Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll show you how to install the original SSD module from a MacBook Pro with Retina display into the OWC Envoy Pro external enclosure. We've gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free surface. We are now ready to begin. The first thing to do is to remove these two Torx T5 screws from the bottom of the enclosure. You should then be able to slide the bottom half over, separating it from the top half, which you can set aside. Flip the bottom half back over and remove this Torx T5 screw. Once that's removed, we can insert the SSD module. The notch in the SSD module lines up with the pin in the Envoy's connector. Align the two and slide them together. You can then anchor the SSD module in place with a small Torx T5 screw. Place the top half over the bottom, offset away from the USB port, then slide it so all edges are flush. You can now flip the Envoy Pro over and replace the two Torx T5 screws in the bottom. Finally, peel the paper backing off the rubber foot to expose the adhesive and then press the foot into place. Your OWC Envoy Pro is now ready to use.